the reason that you shouldn't trust screenshots like this, because all these kinds of screenshot fake celebrity chats are created by using a website. So in today's video we will learn how to make these screenshots. You need to go to fakedetails.com, and here on the social media tab you can see multiple options like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, etc, etc. So let us take an example of WhatsApp chat. You can see a fully customizable WhatsApp chat screen in which you can even change the name, display picture. So let it do it myself, and you guys just keep watching. Here I'm gonna take like Virat Kohli, that's a very famous celebrity. You can type the whole conversation, and you can also edit or delete the text, whichever you want. You can even change the date, bro. As you have seen that I have already sent a hi message, and from that side I have received a reply of hello. Now let me change the display picture. It doesn't seem well, so let me change it once again. Hi Virat sir. Let me type the another text. Hi Virat sir. Here you can see that I have changed the hi message to hi Virat sir. You can specifically reply to one of the messages present in the chat screen. Okay, so you can also add emojis. Guys, even you can also change the status of the message, that whether it's been read or not. So guys, here's the full screenshot that I'm gonna save, and definitely it's gonna look like the exact conversation that we had. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe to Counting Bytes.